Do you think that this and this are going to taste good together?
I would think no.
I don't know.
But maybe. But I think you'd have to watch the video to see the reaction.
And it's an old-timey cocktail.
Old-timey!
Old-timey.
Can't go wrong with that. Welcome to
AwesomeDrinks.com. Oh, no.
No.
Shit, count my cocktails.
Yes! Welcome to Coffee Cocktails. That's Ian. No.
No.
That's Dan. This is Derek. Ian's out with the Cove, so we're going to just do it without
Yeah. We miss him.
the vid.
Yeah.
So we're going to make for you a Rob Roy. And more importantly, he's going to make for you a Rob Roy.
Have I ever had a Rob Roy?
Yes.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, we've made it a couple of times.
She
We
said
made
that
a Rob
earlier,
Roy
that's
with
how I know.
scotch?
A couple of times.
If you make a Rob Roy without scotch,
Have you drank it?
Yes, and I don't like it usually. But I don't know. We haven't had it in a long time.
Yes, we like
I've
it.
definitely turned a page in alcoholism. So
All right, let's try this out. So what are we doing?
Oh my
That's awesome.
Hold on, I'm taking all this in. That's something I would say. All right. So it's 2 ounces of scotch.
I brought her over to the dark side.
Good. 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth, 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, and you can use a brandied cherry. I don't have a brandied cherry, but I have a bourbon cherry. Close enough.
Close enough.
And sort of. So if you made this drink without scotch, you would be creating what is known as a Manhattan,
Yeah, I mean,
right? So
what
you
if
can
I
use,
had a Rob the Rob Roy?
It's
No.
like I'm not believing you.
She was right on it before we even started.
You do not drink
entered-
scotch.
I know. That's why I'm usually like yakky yak.
No, she
Don't
went.
talk back.
So I'm using Highland Park 15 single malt Scotch whiskey. You can use a blended Scotch whiskey, but I seem to be either fresh out or I have too many things in my cabinet, so I can't find it. But I like this better, and this drink should be made the way you want it to be made. And I think if you're gonna make a blended drink, that's like a not a screwdriver. What's the other rusty thing? Oh,
The
nail.
rusty nail?
That's probably made of Scotch, right? I can't.
Yeah, we've had rusty nail before. That I've had.
That's
And I had that on the
He's
show.
sold on that.
That I've had. I don't think I've had a Rob Roy.
Yes.
I think you're all full of fucking
Oh
buoy.
my god, I'll never forget the name.
It's like a Roy Rogers, but instead of using Coke and grenadine,
Maybe we've had a Roy Rogers.
But I don't know.
a Roy
I thought Roy
Rogers.
Rogers, isn't that like chicken?
It is a Roy Rogers.
Hey, Roy Rogers? No, it's like a McDonald's type place.
You
Isn't
can
it?
fact check me on this, but I think a Roy Rogers is a Shirley Temple with Coke.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like a fucking Shirley Temple?
Yeah.
And a little cocaine on the side? Fuck. That's a good night.
No, Dan.
Oh, shit. Sorry. Wrong show. Wrong show.
What show is that?
That's the one that's not on YouTube.
A non-YouTube. That's a special channel. You have to subscribe to us.
With Jay.
So if you want to help, support this chaos, you can be a YouTube member like NCC71201 or Aaron Bila, who both click the button, and they're our executive producers.
Who doesn't
I'll
want to
slide
click the button?
Let's find the other one. You should click the button. Or go to patreon.com/CMC and click the button over there, especially if you're international, because I don't know if everybody has the join button yet from the YouTube world, if they give you that option. Just send me money. Also, you can get these at awesomedrinks.com. This is a Jack Rudy cocktail cherries. They don't make them in this size anymore. This is 16 fluid ounces. Now they sell them in taller ones, 8 fluid ounces or something. I don't understand why they're fluid. It's cherries in
Well,
there.
there's fluid in there.
Yeah, so they're just like, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there's fluid in there. Okay. Hold on. Let me
But they're
stick a few
tasty.
of these bad boys.
I was quite surprised when I ordered a couple cases for the store and they were like half the size. I'm like, shit, now I gotta take reshoots. I gotta change all the descriptions. Tell me about this stuff. But they're tasty. And that's all
They
that
are
matters.
tasty. All right.
Yep. Boom.
Boom.
Magic.
Boom.
The magic
Boom.
of cinema is happening. Right there.
Boom. Boom. We talked about garnishes earlier.
Yep. We don't use
And no, cherry garnishes are definitely,
them. Easy and fun and tasty.
yeah, those should be put on
Well,
all the
at
time.
restaurants, they're cool. They're kind of cool to get, but at home, like, why put in the effort?
The cherry ones, though.
Well, yeah, the cherries.
The
that's
cherries-
Not that much effort.
Yeah. Like I said, it's either the cherries or if it actually adds, like, if it's like the smell of it, like
Yeah.
nutmeg or something
Yeah.
adds to.
Yeah, when you sprinkle them
drink.
on the
There you
top.
go,
Yeah.
cherry
Like,
carbonated.
like a painkiller.
Nice.
Painkiller. Woo!
Trevor's a
painkiller.
man.
Thank you, Trevor, for your
See?
donation. It's Baldy and Bezos. Which one are you?
You're both. I thought. I thought I was Musk.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's both of you.
How? Oh, because Bezos is bald.
Yeah.
I see. I get it now. Now it's all making sense. Although you look more.
And you have a big penis rocket.
Right. Exactly. I didn't know you were looking. What's weird is that like you look more like Musk than I look like Bezos. I think. Right? Is that not true?
Yeah, I don't really think you look like
Again, I only get Rob Schneider and like
Rob Schneider's pretty funny.
like
But you'd have to have hair to be Rob Schneider.
Yeah.
it must be even years ago. I've been getting this since the start of the show. But yeah, I've never had hair since the start of the show, so I don't know why. But people do like to go, "You're bald." Like the,
I
like
don't know. There's no way I've made a upright. I'd rather just give me the scotch. Just give me the scotch.
So let's dig into this. Is it
Okay.
So
Hold on, let me take another step. I'll try it again.
That's what we do here. We try multiple times.
Mm.
It's
Just as good the second time, huh?
Nope, it's the scotch with the sweet vermouth. Like you said, that fortified.
the whiny.
The fortified winey with the almost like the peatiness of the scotch. It doesn't do it for me. It almost
No, like
it just gives me that. It gives me like a weird taste.
I had a sip of this before, but the thing is, what it didn't do last time that it did this time is the peat was like right there.
Yeah, I mean the peat is like
And
up in your shit.
And this doesn't have a lot of peat. I mean, it's a scotch, but it doesn't have as much peat as say like Lefroy.
Yeah.
Right?
No,
Like
yeah, no
smoky,
way.
peaty, burny.
Oh, I would drink this straight. Like
yeah, I have drank that.
Yeah,
Most of that
all
has been
day.
me drinking it straight.
Yeah.
This is years ago. Like this is my days of World of Warcraft. I would just drink it
So there you
while
go.
playing
Who's on the
raiding.
rocks? Keep up the fun.
What happened?
Who's on the rocks? Donated.
Really?
Keep up the fun.
Oh,
How
nice.
come I just saw it? It just popped up like we got a 5-second delay here. So now
Hold on, let me give me another sip.
It's not gonna change.
it is. You maybe just gotta put the cherry.
I told you you just gotta keep drinking some shit to get used to it, and then after a while, you're like,
Yeah.
it's not that bad. Like, it's like bitterness. Like I used to not like bitter either, and then like I just kept drinking it, and now I'm like,
Yeah, but
I kind
Dan,
of like that.
when most of this happens to people, like I did the same thing with red wine, it didn't happen in one sitting. Wait, so you could try that all day. I feel like you're still gonna resonate on the not so good.
He's training.
But you do got to start someplace.
You gotta start someplace, and
Yeah.
I mean, I might as well do it here.
I mean,
yeah,
if you're
I
gonna
just
be
don't.
here,
I don't know. I don't.
I think you just have to. This is gonna make it so much better.
I think.
No.
I'm just not a huge vermouth person.
Oh, good. Neither am I.
And
I don't.
did it actually make it better? No. Let me
It's
check.
not bad, but I wouldn't order it.
I mean, the shit I do for this show.
Yeah. Like I just don't. I like the Scotch part. I don't care for the second half, which comes the vermouth. It's like Scotch vermouth, Scotch, and they keep battling in my mouth. And I don't really like vermouth that much anyway. And sweet vermouth more so than dry vermouth. Dry vermouth hides a little bit better. Sweet vermouth is a little bit like it's
Yes.
like right there.
Yeah.
And so I don't. I mean, even like sweet vermouth. That's what you put in a Manhattan, right?
But see, that's why I do it with a Amaro.
Yeah.
And that's why I like.
Maybe that's why I don't
But
like
you know,
Manhattans.
but you know what though, with a Manhattan, if you're just doing it with like bourbon,
You just put more
it's
bourbon
sweeter.
Yeah,
Well,
you're
no,
just
it's so
looking to hide
sweeter,
it.
so it starts to hide it.
But if if your core argument is you should use bourbon because it hides the other ingredient you don't want, then don't put it in there.
Well, I mean, I don't. I use Amaro.
Right.
That's why I was like.
I would rather use a Verna or any of the other products.
I mean, we
Maybe
use
not Campari.
we use a dry vermouth in our dirties,
Right. And
but I use probably like a quarter ounce.
yeah, you kind of do the like I'll just put the bottle next to it type of thing.
Yeah, like
Or
like you get it like close to the top and you go. Yeah, kind of like a little bit like drips in.
And there's like 1 part dry vermouth, 2 parts COVID, and like boom,
yeah, and you're good.
Yeah.
I mean,
this drink.
as long as you're not spitting on like a stranger's drink, it's fine.
Yeah, if you're doing that as a bartender, it's questionable.
I just,
But yeah,
I really like the.
it's too sweet vermouthy for me.
I like the Scotch in it.
I will
fucking don't like. Oh, then it's Scotch and they come together to taste like.
But they don't really come together. I think it's like a left hook, right hook situation. Like they're all there, but you're getting hit one by one.
I don't like it. I tried it multiple times.
So
I tried everything.
he tried everything with his drink and he couldn't figure out how to make it work. That's the Rob Roy. What are you gonna do? Some drinks are gonna be a hit for us. Some are gonna be a miss. This is a sweet vermouth problem.
I mean, I think if you like Scotch and you like sweet vermouth, it's
Okay. What about if you just replace us with the Amaro that we use the other drink? Then it would be better.
I don't know. 'Cause Scotch is a different beast.
Right, because it doesn't taste
Yeah,
the same.
Scotch is different. I mean, like, I like Scotch.
But that's a...
I don't know if we've made too many... I mean, we haven't really made too many, like, Scotch cocktails. Because usually it's like a rinse or something.
Right. Scotch is not as popular. I mean, there are a lot of Scotch cocktails. I just tend to avoid them.
I could see why someone would like it. I don't know. I can't.
No. That is a pass.
Yes.
We'll give it to the girls so they can enjoy it next.
Yeah, they can try that.
So we'll do...
I told you I don't like that.
We'll do a little bit of a sidebar over here. Oh, by the way, you could go to ostrace.com, get all of our shaker kits now come with the 18-ounce tin.
Because tin's better than glass.
Yeah. So I'm just moving the
10
glass
out of 10.
out and putting the tins in, and pretty much everything stays the same. So check those out, and there's a link right below for the Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit, which also comes with tin. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.